Today is build sheet day. Unfortunately, my build sheet is a California car. My build sheet was right on top of the gas tank, but unfortunately, it was so shredded that I couldn't get much out of it. So, kind of disappointed in that. This is the build sheet right here. So my plan is to just try to make what's left, kind of salvage it and see maybe I can piece together. You know, it's still a document that can be saved. So hopefully it goes well. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use this brush, this makeup brush, to maybe try to brush some of this stuff off so I can not damage it. Right now, I'm just kind of brushing everything off, brushing all the paperwork off, seeing if I can just salvage it without tearing it or damaging. Right now, it's so, I don't think it's gonna be worth much, but we can see how it goes. So far, I got two of the smaller documents. Dust off. You can kind of see the lines on the paper. I'm gonna do this larger one last. So let's see how it goes. All I'm doing is just kind of holding it down and kind of just wiping it off with the brush so it don't get damaged. This is our larger piece and our last piece. These are the two smaller pieces. I'm gonna attempt to brush that larger piece off and see what we got. So after all the brushing, I got quite a few little snippets of a document. You see, that's one kind of showing a Chevy. It doesn't have anything on it. I believe this is very important if you at 4564. Another smaller document. I'm gonna try to iron these out. See what it does once I iron it out. This is the largest document of that grouping. It was under the gas tank, so lucky enough to probably get this much, but it's showing this 373 gear ratio and some of the options. I'm gonna have to look at some of these and look them up. Roof drip, molding. I'm just showing the documents on it. And that's about it. It's just in pieces that you can see. I'm gonna try to piece it together a little better, make it look a little more presentable, but that's all I could get out of it. It's better than nothing though. So it's a 1970, never been restored. So we'll see how it goes. But it was full of fuel. I thought it was empty. As you can see, that's the old fuel. I removed it when I was trying to get to the build sheet. I'm gonna replace this tank and put another tank in it because I'm going Gen 5 LT. So I'll be taking this tank off and hopefully I can sell it. It has a key. I can't remove it. I can get a screwdriver. See if I can get a screwdriver and pop that off.